Okay, YouTube. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to fry up a little fish. I think we want to be around 350. And we are there. Alright. Here we have some fine spotted bass. Caught here in Tennessee. Thanks for the fillets out there, Mr. Angler Man. You know who you are. They're patted dry. What we're going to do, we're going to put them in a bag. Trying to do this one-handed, boys. It's tough. I normally work with a tripod, and you know, I'm a big-time executive producer type of guy. All right. So there's no wrong way to fry fish. Period. Okay. Yeah, somebody might disagree with me. That's fine. You may be right. I don't know. So I normally like to go with spicy brown mustard. Nah, I didn't see any in the fridge. So today we're going with Kinder's fry sauce. It's got mustard in it, don't it? Mustard, mayonnaise, ketchup. I don't know. Just put some of that in there. Okay. Pause. I'm going to zip this up. Shake the ever-loving crap out of it. Once we have shook the ever-loving crap out of it, we're going to get another bag and do some Louisiana fish fry. I told Hudson to grab something. I don't know what he grabbed. Let's take a look. I mean, I'm not against it, but I said fish fry. That's not fish fry. Let me go look in the pantry. Hey, what did I tell you to grab at Ingles? What did I let you pick? What did I tell you? Get anything off that bottom row, because they're all the same thing. And what was it I told you to get?
Something chicken.
No. Fish fry.
I got something at the bottom row, though.
Are you sure it's off the bottom?
Yes.
Because what you got was chicken fry. You sure it's off the bottom?
It was off the dang bottom.
All right. Get out here. Go on.
Listen. Did you see... Oh, that's hot. Did you see those rows with, like, the baseball card looking things?
What?
So the bottom row with those little orange...
Yes, with the cardboard holders. Yes.
I pulled that off one of those.
All right. Then I'll take the blame for this one. We sure ain't putting chicken fry on fish fry. Your face is.
I'm sorry.
I said it's not your fault, kid. It's not your fault. I said I took the blame for this one. All right. So, some cornmeal. Some, yeah. Some of that. All right. Put this in there and shake it. Ta-da. Double check, because I did take it off the eye for a second. Oh yeah. Pause for that beautiful fish drop. Stand by. Deli Chew. That guy's awesome. But, look at him. Ooh, yeah. Give it about 5-6 minutes. Keep an eye on your oil. If it turns too brown and it ain't done, that means your oil is too hot. We should be running about 340 right now, considering we got 2 fillets in there. 300. All right. That way they don't burn. Just a fuss. All right. Stay tuned. Looking good. Let me swap hands here. These spotted bass are actually a real problem in Tennessee. I'd say they're a problem anywhere they go, to be honest. They crossbreed with smallies and largemouth, so it decreases their numbers, but the biggest problem is they are the pit bull of the lake. They get the food. Nobody else does. They're aggressive. I encourage everybody to go target them. My God, you talk about a fight. Fun. But this man here, look, I'm sorry. I already broke into it one time. I just had to verify it. Oh. Yeah. Well, I don't know. I mean, that Hudson, I'm trying to make a video. Okay. I don't know if fry sauce has ever been used before or not. I just use it as a binder for the cornmeal. So all I know is it bound the cornmeal and the seasoning really well. As you can tell, we're missing a fillet. So basically, you can use whatever you have. But man, I tell you, Mr. Angler, you know who you are. Man, I greatly appreciate this. Greatly. And, you know, I was a little curious. I was raised old school. Anything you caught, you pretty much ate. I mean, my papa has filleted 4.5 pound smallmouth. You know, oh, that'll be good. He likes walleye and crappie the best, but striper, cut the red out of them. I mean, just keep rolling. I was a little worried. Everybody's like, bass ain't good. Let me tell you, that is darn good spotted bass. All right, till next time, y'all. What are you doing, working on catcher drills?
Yeah.
Huh. You want to try a piece of fish? Chris caught it. See if it's hot. Touch it. Oh, we'll get that piece for sure. This is the better piece. Pop that in there. Tell me what you think.
Hot?
Hot, but how's it taste? Good? Just too hot? Okay. Cool, man. I'll get your burger going, okay?